Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Did you enjoy going to school?
Yes, I enjoy that going to school in childhood.
What was your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is science,
Why?
and science is a very technical subject that in future I can create some uh, things about technology.
How did you get on with your class fellows in school?
Sorry, sir.
How did you get on or how was your relationship with your class fellows in school?
Uh, I am very enjoying relation with the class fellows because in weekend I am going to other places and I enjoy.
What subject would you like to learn in the future?
Of course, science subject is future. I can learn this subject.
Why?
This subject is
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2 and your topic is describe a school you once attended. Here is your topic and you have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, so you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
my school is near Hafsamar Road, Kilaidar Singh. This building is very huge. Yeah, no, my school has in place about 2 and 3.
Carry on, just go on.
2 and 3 buildings. My favorite sir is Sir Abdul Khalik. This is very genius sir that I teach English, Urdu, Mutaliya, and uh, both of subject is this teacher is very nice person. I was an inspiration in this teacher, and both of teacher a lot of teacher in my school. One more teacher, Sir Bilal, is my science subject teacher. um, this one teacher is every is very good teacher. He teaches
Alright, thank you very much. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Part 3 now. What makes a good student? What makes a good student? What role should the teacher have in the classroom?
My teacher role is very well that my teacher entered class and I mostly respect the teachers and I stand up before teacher has entered in my class.
Do you think computers will one day replace teachers in the classroom?
No, computer cannot. Computer teacher is very brilliant that he is not absent in class.
Alright, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. First of all, in part 1, your answers were very short and you've got very frequent grammatical mistakes, right? Sentence structure, and you're using very basic words and you're communicating with words. Now, another important point, your answers are irrelevant. Regardless of the question, my question was, do you think computers will one day replace teachers? And you talked about your computer teacher. Topic was different and answer was different. And then I said, what role should the teacher have in the classroom? And then you started talking about your favorite teacher, right? I mean, the whole talk was just about your favorite teacher. So you should understand the question and then answer accordingly.
Okay,
And your
sir.
answers are short. Grammatically, your sentences are wrong. You need to focus that very carefully.
Okay,
Very
sir.
generously, right now, I'll give you 4.5. It can be 4 also. You should work hard
Okay,
with your
sir.
speaking.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you.